tree climber, and she is Gracie Kane. Oops, I said her last name. Remember, I commented she would beat your butt if you said her last name. Sorry, Gracie. Wow. Climb some more.
Really? I'll get in trouble?
Okay, climb that tree.
Okay. And then we're going to go back to your tree.
Okay. Boo boo. That's the dog. Okay, this is part 1. We're going to part 2 next live.